This is the Miele 5300 benchtop coffee machine, and I'm going to do a comparison between different milks, see if it froths differently. It'll be quite an interesting exercise, I think. So the first milk I'll try is the full cream milk, which happens to be lactose free. Next one will be the Almond Breeze, and then thirdly we'll try the soy milk. So I'll be using the Cappuccino mode today. Now I'll do the almond milk, and again it'll be a cappuccino. So now it's going to be soy milk cappuccino, and let's see how it works this time. So this is a side-by-side comparison of the cappuccinos. Left soy, the middle almond, and the right hand side is the full cream milk, lactose free. So you can see the color difference. Very noticeably the almond milk color mixed with the coffee is the darkest. It seems the soy color is a little discolored, and the milk coloring is really quite perfect actually, with a very clear darker line from the top which gradually goes to the milky white color at the bottom. Of course, before you drink, mix it, otherwise you'll get some of the bitter coffee taste. Now let's have a look at the foam. So let's zoom in and look at the foam. So this is soy milk. You can clearly see, well, they all foam up actually, but the soy milk one seems to have the most foam. And as I was talking about before, the discoloration when mixed with the coffee. Moving on to the almond milk. Foam's quite nice. Not as bubbly as the soy, as you can tell. Much finer. Colors look a bit dark, but nicer than the soy. Moving on to the full cream milk. Perfect color. Foam is comparable to the almond milk, but again, much finer than the soy milk version. Soy, almond, full cream milk. Hope you enjoyed this comparison video. For any other videos, please put your comments down below and we'll try to make them. Click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.